Dear children, welcome to your English class. This is me Swapna again, your English teacher. Today we are going to learn from lesson 2 Mina and the Dinosaurs, the grammar part, which is module 4. From this grammar part, you are going to learn determiners, adverbs of degree and adverbs of frequency. These may seem very difficult to understand and learn. But children, let me assure you, these are very simple to learn. Okay, so let us learn them one by one. Come, join me. First of all, determiners. What are determiners? Now children, in your lower classes, you already know that a and the are articles. Now from the slide which is in front of you, you can understand that there are so many types of determiners. Demonstrative, possessive, quantifiers, articles, ordinals, numbers, all these are determiners. They are used in front of nouns to indicate whether you are referring to something specific or something of a particular type. Now when you can see all these list of determiners and something that you have already learned, which are articles, it is easy for you to understand from where these words are coming. These are all determiners. Now in this class or in this module, you are going to learn another type of determiners which are called as demonstrative determiners. It is very simple to understand and there is nothing difficult here. Simply you have to remember that the words like this, that, these, those are demonstrative determiners. Once again I repeat, this, that, these, those. All these four words are demonstrative determiners. Why? Because they are used in front of nouns to tell or to refer to something specific or something of a particular type. Here's another way of understanding demonstrative determiners. Demonstrative determiners modify a noun, like I told you, to determine the physical distance of the noun from the speaker. Now, if you are the speaker, how far is the particular noun that you are talking about from you? You can determine that by using the words this, that, these, those. Very easy, is it not? Now, what is the position here? You must use this or these if the nouns are near to the speaker. You must use that and those if the nouns are far from the speaker. Now, if the noun is in the singular form, means if it is only one, then you can use this or that. Now, if there are many nouns, plural form, then you can use these or those. Look at this example here. Mom bought this teddy bear for Sarah. Here the speaker is there and then the teddy bear is there. Both are near. So, the speaker is using this teddy bear. Not only near, but also there is only one teddy bear. So, it is in the singular form. So, the example, Mom bought this teddy bear for Sarah means there is only one teddy bear and also he is talking about the teddy bear which is near to the speaker. Hope you understood this, my dear children. Here's a small worksheet for you to practice the demonstrative determiners. Complete each sentence with one of the 4 demonstrative determiners. This, these, that or those. Let us try and learn them one by one. First one. Dash flower vases were specially ordered from California. Here we can understand that flower vases are in the plural form. There is not one flower vase, but there are many flower vases. So, the determiner these can be used. These flower vases were specially ordered from California. Second one. How wonderful dash poem is. How many poems are there? The noun form is only one, singular. So, how wonderful this poem is. Next one. When are you going to return dash book? When are you going to return how many books? Only one book. So the answer should be that book. We can use the determiner that or even this. Both are correct. When are you going to return this book or when are you going to return that book? Both are correct. Mia collected dash acorns today. Now acorns is in the plural form. There are many acorns. So the correct answer will be Mia collected these acorns today or those acorns today. Let's watch a movie dash evening. Evening singular form. So let's watch a movie this evening. Look at dash stars up in the sky. Look at those stars up in the sky because stars are very far away from the speaker and also stars are in the plural form. So we are using those. Dash airplane looks like a bird. That airplane looks like a bird. Airplane is far away from the speaker and also there is only one aeroplane, not many airplanes. So we say that is the determiner. Can you see dash ships on the sea? Ships is a noun and there are many ships. So the noun is in the plural form. So can you see those ships in the sea? Next we are going to learn about adverbs. I am sure you have learned about adverbs in your previous classes also. Just to make a small revision, let us learn what are adverbs. In this sentence, I ate my dinner quickly. We know that ate is the verb, means it is describing, it is telling us about what the person is doing. It is an action word. How did I eat my dinner? I ate it quickly. So the word quickly is describing the action word ate. So here quickly is an adverb. Next. My father came home early. Came is an action word. And early describes the time that the action took place. When did it take place? It took place early. So my father came home early. Early is the adverb because adverb describes the action words or the verb. So we can understand that adverbs describes verbs. Some examples of adverbs are daily, somewhere, quickly, everywhere, calmly, regularly, nowhere, freely, silently, near, soon, etc. All these words are examples of adverbs. Now here comes the topic for you to learn. Children, there are a list of adverbs. Okay, so each type of adverb is learned according to the degree, the frequency, the manner and time. Now for you in this class, you have to learn only adverbs of degree and adverbs of frequency. Adverbs of degree means it describes about the verb in context of how much. For example, fully, almost, rather, extremely, entirely, too, fairly, enormously, very, just, barely, enough, deeply, completely, very, quite. All these words are adverbs of degree. Why? Because they tell us how strong or weak something is. How much strong or weak something is. So they are called as adverbs of degree. Then comes adverbs of frequency. How often? They tell us how often something happens. Like for example, never, sometimes, often, usually, generally, occasionally, seldom, rarely, normally, frequently, hardly ever, always. All these words are used to describe how often something happens. So they are called as adverbs of frequency. Very easy to understand, children. Why? Because you are learning only these two. Just to show you the list of adverbs, I am showing you this slide. But you have to learn only adverbs of degrees and adverbs of frequency in this class. Here's a small assignment for you. Please complete the textbook work on page number 17 and 18, which teaches you about the grammar A, B and C. And also, you have to write down in your notebook the worksheet of determiners given in this PDF, which we have already done as an exercise. Okay children, have a great day. Thank you.